Biblically, I'm not. Question is, why?
Once upon a time there roamed the earth animals of every shape and worth. Some are gone, some need our care. Let's learn their names, we must be aware. Endangered, extinct, they need our voice. Let's learn their stories, make a choice. Protect the animals, great and small. Together we can save them all.
Good man.
The dodo bird no longer flies.
Good man.
Extinct now beneath the skies. Woolly mammoths, large and grand, once roamed free across the land. Tigers.
You're laughing. Good man. Why are you angry? See, your friends are in the city doing city things. You are here disturbing our ears on which animals should be protected or not. I don't understand. What's your problem?
I can see you have removed your cap. That means the heat is on you. See, it seems like you guys have not understood what I am advocating for. They say each species, no matter how little, contribute to the balance of nature. And compounds from plants and animals has yielded substances used in drugs to treat cancer, heart disease, and other illnesses.
Cancer?
See, before Greenman me, I go to the city, start making things happen. I must arrest a palace father for killing Pongo tampanulensis aka Tampanui orangutan.
You saw me very well. I was just an eater.
Don't you know? Both the eater and the killer are accomplices and will be arrested.
But you have to understand that the hunter is an old man. Too old to know whether that particular animal was a protected species or not.
That's not the point. As a hunter, he has to. He has to. See, it seems like you guys are yet to understand the gravity of this issue. And you are not yet convinced that you are an ape.
Me, an ape?
I said it. I said it. Didn't I tell you guys that Pongo tampanulensis aka Tampanuli orangutan, chimpanzees, gorillas, and humans, we all belong to the family of the great apes. So the question is, why should an ape kill an ape?
Biblically, I'm not.
Scientifically, you are. And let me educate us. These animals, they are not just protected species. Oh my God, they are not. They are also called persons of the forest. And animal rights activists like Gary L. Shapiro are fighting for their personhood or non-human state. Better still, they are fighting that these animals should be recognized as legal persons. Hey! How I wish you guys understood the legal implication for what you have done. See your fine face. Go and end it. It's a head like this. By the time you come from prison, look like the organizer. You guys are finished. It's your fine to cook for nothing. You are finished. Organizer.
Once upon a time there roamed the earth
I'm telling you.
animals of every shape and worth. Some are gone, some need our care. Let's learn their names, we must
Jay.
be aware. Endangered, extinct, they
What was
need our
Green
voice.
Man
Let's
talking
learn
about?
their stories, make
All I
a
heard
choice.
was
Protect
WhatsApp
the animals,
status.
great and small. Together we
Look at
can
this one.
save
Is it
them all.
non-human state you are referring to as well as you better go ahead and beg him because you and your father are potential prisoners.
Prisoners? As if you are not included. Ha!
The dodo
Ah.
bird no longer flies.
So you cannot remember when you were biting, chewing bones like a chimpanzee, and you are calling us now prisoners.
Me, a chimpanzee. I was sitting quietly in my house. You were the one who called me. I came and ate. Now, I was eating bones like a chimpanzee. I don't always like to get involved. I don't always like to get involved. Look at me, you're telling me you're a beggar. To go and beg green man. Look at
No, this is not time for
I've
quarrel.
been begging
This is
here.
not time for quarrel. Let's go.
My name is Earth, and I'm the planet you live on, the third planet from the sun. I'm the only planet with organic life, so take care of me, 'cause we're all one.